Michel Dulud, 11 January 1902 – 4 March 1997, was a French playwright, screenwriter and film director. He passed his military pilot's license in 1936 and gave lectures on the beginnings of aeronautics before becoming a playwright, performed in Paris, Theatre Fontaine, and in New York. He also tried his hand at cinema as a screenwriter and directed 2 films. Theatre 1937, La Nuit du 7, premiered at Théâtre Français of New York in February, then at Théâtre des Capucines de Paris in May. 1939, Le Revenant, at Théâtre des Capucines in February. 1942, On Demand, at Théâtre Antoine in June. 1944, Monseigneur, at Théâtre Danu in April. 1947, Tous les deux, at Théâtre Antoine in March. 1949, Du Coq Vivant en Paix, After a Tale by La Fontaine, premiered at Théâtre Monceau in December. 1952, Backstreet, After Fanny Hurst, premiered at Brussels, then at Théâtre Fontaine in Paris, in April. 1956, Les Inconsolables, at Théâtre du Vieux Colombier in April, with an act by Michel Dulud and Licence Maupassant. Filmography 1946, Le Troisième Dal, script and direction. 1949, Tous les deux, adaptation and dialogues, based on the play Tous les deux. 1950, Banco de Prince, script and direction, based on the play Monseigneur. 1951, Jamais du Sans Trois, script and dialogues. 1952, Allo, Je t'aime. 1953, Little Jacques, dialogues. 1954, Ma Petite Folie. 1955, Villa Sans Souci, screenwriter. 1959, Supolate, script. Bibliography 1953, La Famille Dorotin, published under the pseudonym Saint-Mar. 1958, Du Guesclin, published under the pseudonym Michel Dulud. References. External links. Michel Dulud on IMDb. Michel Dulud at Allociné, in French.